Hello dear kids, welcome to social science class. In this video, I'll explain you chapter number 26, Defense Officer Wahida. First, let's do mind mapping. If I say Defense Officer Wahida, what comes in your mind dear children? Yes, words which are related to Wahida, like Girl Guide, Thanna Mandi, Doctor in Navy, MBBS, Prism, first woman to lead parade. Aims and objectives. To know about Wahida, to understand roles and responsibilities of Doctor in Navy, to know about parade. Lieutenant Commander Wahida Prism, Doctor in the Indian Navy. She is one of the few women who has worked on a naval ship. She is the first woman to lead a parade. This is considered to be a very big honor in the armed forces. Wahida comes from a very small village called Thanna Mandi. This is in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir. Wahida did her schooling from a government school. Most of the girls from the village studied in her school. However, few of them ever thought of what they do after finishing school. Wahida always wanted to become someone special and move forward in life. She was very interested in higher studies and wanted to complete the 10th class. In her area, it was a new thing at that time. Her mother and father had to face many problems because of this. They even had to move out of their village. So they went to live with her grandmother in Rajouri. She did her 12th class from there. Even when she was very young, she wanted to do something different. She was very fond of riding a motorcycle. They are three sisters. Her father wanted one of them to become a doctor and one a teacher. He wanted the third daughter to become a lawyer or join the police force. Wahida have become a doctor in the Indian Navy and her sister is in Jammu Police Force. Wahida worked very hard. Her friends and family members helped her a lot. She got admission in Jammu Medical College. She studied for 5 years and did her MBBS. While in school, she attended camps, climbed mountains, and was a girl guide. She became a doctor. She appeared for an interview to join the armed forces. She got selected there and received a training for 6 months. Wahida was very fond of traveling. She liked to see different places. She wanted to go to far off places. She was born in the hills and now she is working in sea. She really enjoyed it. Very few lady officers have worked on a ship. She is one of them. Earlier, women were not allowed to go on naval ships. When an opportunity was given, she herself went forward and gave her name. She even wanted to go in a submarine. She wanted to do everything which people think women cannot do. At present, women are not allowed to go in submarines. But whenever it is allowed, Wahida definitely go. Wahida is a doctor, but in Indian Navy, a naval doctor does not just give medicines to the patients. She is in fact a medical officer. The ship goes to sea for 3-4 months at a time. It is her responsibility to make sure that everybody on the ship stays fit and healthy. She carry out medical checkups of all the officers and sailors. She also have to make sure that no garbage collects and there are no rats on the ship. Rats and garbage can spread diseases. She must keep everybody ready for any medical emergency on the ship. In case there is an accident on the ship, such as fire, everybody must be ready to deal with it. First aid is given on every naval ship. Each ship has one doctor and 2 or 3 assistants. Necessary medicines and some equipments are also available. All these things are kept in a small room. Wahida's seniors gave her opportunity to lead a parade. After seeing her performance for 3 years, she felt happy that they had chosen her and showed faith in her. So she practiced very sincerely. In a parade, 4 platoons march behind the leader. 36 commands have to be given during the entire parade. These must be given in a very loud voice so that it is heard till the rear. The voice should also reach the spectators sitting on the other side of the ground. Wahida's father gave her name Prism. A prism is a kind of glass which reflects 7 colors. Her father wanted her to be like a prism, and that is why he started calling her by this name from her childhood itself. Now kids, let's do some new terms. Parade, a formal occasion when soldiers march. Platoon, a group of soldiers commanded by lieutenant. Prism, a kind of glass which reflects the 7 colors. Submarine, a type of ship that can travel under the water as well as on the surface of water. Equipments, the necessary items for a particular purpose. So, dear kids, I hope the chapter is clear to you and you came to know about the life of Defense Officer Wahida. Thank you.